Oh, it's another pair of 153s. That train that we've just been on, not the same one obviously, a different one, that's just gone in there. I think that's going back to the depot. And a 150 should be going there in 20 minutes. See, these trains are back in now, I don't know. We'll just go down the end so we can catch that one going. Look, the two trains are at the same point. You can literally hop from train to train. So this is part 2 because I don't want my phone to fry by leaving it on pause for an hour. We're just going to go down here. There'll be a train here. It's 5 minutes. And then I think that Bidston train goes... Yeah, let's just pause this and see. Should we go on the bridge? It's gone already, Dano. I don't know. Oh. What? Oh, I'm not even focusing. Let's go on, hang on. There we go, this is the delayed train here.
The train's going in now.
Oh no, they're both going now. I mean...
Dad!
I know. There, I know. There's one there as well, look. One there as well. Now. Why is it all blurry? I said, here it is.
They can't see through here because I can't. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
So even though people go up the line, they still get on here, go to Wrexham Central, then go back again. So these people on the platform will be going up there, but well no, some of them, most of them do get on, go to Central and just get on back. What? No, see it then, look. See it. Yeah. Stop pushing, Daniel. You're pushing it on it.
Aww. the train, won't we?